In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FOMO with Pumpfun. When people talk about using FOMO, or fear of missing out, with Pumpfun, they're usually referring to one of two strategies. The first is using hype and momentum to help your own token gain attention and potentially go viral. The second is using tools or platforms that help you identify fast-moving tokens early, so you can follow the momentum before those tokens move on to larger decentralized exchanges like Radium. To get started, head over to Pumpfun, which is a platform built around launching and trading meme coins on Solana. Once you're there, it helps to understand the role Pumpfun plays in this ecosystem. It's often where very early token activity happens, which is why so many traders and creators pay close attention to it. Because tokens can move quickly, the platform has become closely associated with hype cycles, fast community growth, and short-term attention spikes. If your goal is to use FOMO for a token you're creating, the core idea is to build momentum around it while it's still early. On platforms like Pumpfun, attention can be a major driver of activity. That means the way a token is presented, talked about, and shared can influence whether people notice it and decide to join in. In simple terms, FOMO here is about making people feel like they may miss an opportunity if they wait too long. On the other hand, if your goal is to use FOMO from the trading side, then you're looking for tokens that are already starting to build that kind of momentum. Many users monitor emerging tokens closely and use dedicated discovery tools or tracking platforms to find projects that are gaining traction before they graduate to Radium. That graduation point matters because it can signal a new stage of visibility and trading activity. A good tip here is to stay aware of how quickly sentiment can change. Hype can bring attention very fast, but it can also fade just as fast. So whether you're trying to create momentum or follow it, make sure you understand that FOMO is powerful because it plays on urgency and social proof. The main takeaway is that using FOMO with Pumpfun means recognizing how early attention drives action. You can either try to generate that excitement around your own token, or you can watch for tokens that are already attracting it and follow the trend before they move into the next phase of trading.